Hello, John Earhart. This is a video for all students. Here I have for all grades, grades 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and grade 6. I am here on the school website. I'm logged in as a student. I can put myself anywhere. I'm going to go over here. If you roll your mouse down, and so I'm over here on a Chromebook, and so let's see if I can do this. If I scroll down carefully, I can go into the ClassLink portal. When I go into the ClassLink portal, it looks like this. And it looks like this. And I'm going to pause and expand my view. And I'm back. So here is a ClassLink portal for a student. And here we have summer learning, ABCA for grades 1 and 2. We have Follett library catalog. I haven't even tried it, so I'll try to look at that and do a video soon. We have Google Classroom, and this is how you get into Google Classroom. You should all be doing that by now. Your Google Drive, this is where all your things are stored for Google Classroom. It's where you can start a Google Doc, a sheet, or a Google slideshow, but your teacher's probably going to have you start those things here inside of Google Classroom. So make sure and do it here first. Don't just jump over here. Imagine Learning, that's a new program. Our school website, typing.com, this is where we'll go to do some typing practice. And we have Think Central, that's your math curriculum. Synergy is where you can go and check your grades. PBS Kids, again, for grades 1 and 2. We have McGraw-Hill, which is the reading program. And your reading book is inside there, and all the extras and all the curriculum is in there. But today I want to mention MobyMax. So inside of MobyMax, you're going to click in here. Click. Oh, I got to do it on my computer, my Chromebook. So I click on MobyMax, and it starts up with Clever. That's a program that helps us sign in. And let me expand this. Let me pause and expand a little bit. So again, here we are in MobyMax, and right here it says it wants you to spend 20 minutes on Fact Fluency. I would like to see Earhart students work on Fact Fluency every day. If you're bored, if you are done early with some online learning, jump over here to MobyMax and do Fact Fluency. Here you have regular math problems where you might need a paper and pencil to figure it out. This is real basic. This is numbers. So green are math, is color green. Language arts are blue right here. If you haven't taken it, this will give you a reading level assessment, so you can take that if your teacher assigns it. I might assign it soon, so don't go in there until you're told to. And then we have more language and vocabulary and spelling, science, social studies, phonics for your first graders, maybe some second graders, alphabet letters. This is all beginning reading stuff down here. We have sight words, some fluency games for reading and math fluency, fluency board games, and in the spring we'll come over here and do test prep. So Fact Fluency, I just want to show you that. This is a student I'm masking off. You can't see the student's name. So if I click on Fact Fluency with my Chromebook, you have it looks like this, and you're going to press the green arrow down here, and this student needs to work on addition, and then when this tank gets filled up, it'll move the student on to subtraction, multiplication, and division. What I'm going to do is I'm probably going to reset everybody to start over, take the initial test. But anyhow, here's how it works. Well, the test, when you take the test, you get 6 seconds per question, and you have to enter in the number quickly and answer it. So you type in the answer, you don't press enter. So here's addition. We're probably going to get an addition problem. Here we go. So that mouse is right here. 7 plus 2, and that is 9. So you just type the number, and then it gives you another question. As soon as you answer it correctly, if I answer it wrong and I put a 9, no, that's not correct. So I'm going to backspace and put an 8. And then a 1, and that's how this goes. This is how Math Fact Fluency works. So I want every student to practice Math Fact Fluency this week. It's hard to say fast. All right. Thank you for listening to this 5-minute video, and it also gives you tips on how to do it correctly. And in the end, your results will show up as improved. So you come back to the beginning, leave now, and you go back into Math Fact Fluency. Math Fact Fluency, it's hard to say. You see I completed only 19 minutes. Fact Fluency. Let's see. So it shows your progress right here. Your progress is right here. If I go back to the home and right here at the balloons, if you've earned it, if you've been a student at Earhart, you've probably earned game time. So you come down here to the games, and there's games you can play once you have earned it. This student has only 37 seconds left of game time right here. So there's not really enough time to play. Once you use up your game time, you have to go back to doing learning, back to the home and select an area of learning. But for now, I want everyone practicing Math Fact Fluency. Wherever you're at, practice it, master it. All right, talk to you later. That's it for this week. Bye.